Once you're logged into your Namecheap or your domain host account, you make sure that you go to the domain list and then select the same domain that you want to set up with Strikingly and click on Manage. And then navigate to Advanced DNS. And then update records that Strikingly shows right here that we have to add an A record and the CNAME record. So for the A name record, the value should be this. So I'm just going to copy the value, and the host is going to be at. So that means the domain itself is going to be the host. So go back to your domain host and click add a new record, select a record, the host is going to be at the rate, and the value or the IP address is going to be this. And once you have added that, you simply click on Save Changes, and then you do the same for the CNAME record. So copy this value, and then click on Add a New Record. Scroll down until you see the CNAME record. The host, the value is going to be this that we copied from Strikingly, and the host is going to be www. So we're going to type in www, and you make sure that you click on Save Changes for both of these, and then once all done, you click on Save Changes. Since I've already added it, I'm just gonna get rid of these, and I've got my CNAME record and the A record updated already. Once you hit that, it might take maybe a couple of hours, in some cases close to 24 hours. So if the domain is not connected, just wait for a while and then get back to Strikingly and click on I have fixed and check again. Now once everything is set up with your domain, you should see connected on the domain part, and I've connected mine. So now the next thing is you definitely want to set up the basic information. So your site title should be relevant to your business, and you have selected the category for your online store and the site description, the site language, and you also updated the social share image and the favicon. So I've used, for both of these, I've used the logo of my store, and the payments are already set up. Now the email notification part is the section where you have to set up. So if every time an email is sent to your customer from your store, this is the name that will be used as a sender, and this is the email address that will be displayed for any email sent from the store. Whether it's updating your customers about the products or their orders. And the next thing is you definitely want to change the physical address. I have just used this for now, and you can add or change the physical address is by clicking on the link below, and you can add a new address here. Once you have added that, you simply click on update. Now it also gives you the email templates. If you want to see that what kind of email is being sent out on order confirmed, order fulfilled, you can preview that. It will be sent out to your customers. If you want to change that, you simply click on edit, and you can change your order confirmation email. Once you have done that, by the way, the email template section comes with the pro subscription. So if you're on the free, you might not see this. And then the next part is the mobile action. So this is where on the mobile version of the website, you can choose to have a button displayed on the mobile devices. So I've selected Simple Store. Now this is the button that will be displayed on the mobile version of my online website, and you can add more buttons if you want to have like homepage, and this is the preview that you get. So I'm just gonna go with the Simple Store. So every time somebody clicks on it, they will be taken directly to the store section of my website. Header and footer is the next part. I have set up always display shopping cart icon. If you're doing a shopping store, it always makes sense to have a shopping cart icon on the top of the website. So I have enabled that, and then the display navigation buttons. Now if you're having a home page that has a lot of sections, I do recommend that you go with the display navigation button. It makes easier for your visitors to scroll through your different section of your website, but I don't have that detailed homepage, so I'm just going to leave that as is. And then display a footer at the bottom of the page. I have checked that, and you can choose to select whether you want to show the Strikingly branding on the bottom of the website. And again, this comes with the pro subscription and the VIP subscriptions. For free, it will be grayed out, so you cannot remove Strikingly branding from your website, but I can, so I've just taken off the logo. Once again, I'm really sorry, Strikingly. Now the next part is the multi-page. So if you're setting up a website with multiple web page, you can select this. I've already done the multiple pages for this website, but if you just want to have one single page or a landing page for your business or for your store, you can revert to a single page and make the adjustment according to your requirements. Now, once you click show advanced, it will give you more options, and you can just go through these options. I don't need to set these up for now, but site search is definitely one of the things that I want to turn on or activate for my visitors. So what site search does, it gives this magnifying glass, so when anybody clicks on it, they can directly search for the product they were looking for, or if anybody has recommended them to our online store, they can just click on this, type in the product name, and they will be displayed. So I'm gonna hit on save for that. Now the next thing is the privacy legal. So what you have to do is make sure that you have added the terms and condition, privacy policy, and the GDPR compliance. So if you're collecting information from your visitors, I recommend you enable the general data protection regulation. I have written down the terms and condition using ChatGPT, and you can do that simply by heading over to the ChatGPT section, and then you can ask for the prompt to write you a privacy policy or terms and conditions. Now, I've used a prompt to write a terms and condition which says write me a terms and condition for my online store named as T-Spot, which is an online t-shirt store, and use the contact email address as info@tspot.shop where required. So once you hit enter, it should write you a professional terms and condition for your online store that you can just simply copy and paste it under the terms and condition. Now you can do that same with the privacy policy part. It should give you the privacy policy as well. And I think we're good with this section. Once you have used your terms and condition and privacy policy, you can hit on save. Now, multi-language is another great feature offered by Strikingly. Again, it comes with the Pro subscription, so I've selected just English for now. If you're targeting multilingual audiences, so you can select add a new language, and then you can select Spanish, and then connect to an existing URL. Or if you have a website hosted someplace else with a different language, you can just use a different URL. But if you don't have a different website with a different language and you want to create another one or a new one, you can ask Strikingly to create and auto translate your current website that you're designing into a different language. You can go for the VIP subscription, and it does that automatically. But I'm not going to be doing a multi-language website for now. And now you're pretty much done setting up your website. So once you head back to the design, you just make sure that everything is set up correctly. And if you just want to add different text, you can change the text for any section on the website by simply clicking on it and making the adjustment. So I think I did this, and you can also update the images on any section of the website. I've also added a text section here, and if you want to add a new section, you simply come back to the home page or the page that you want to, and you click on add a new section, and you can select from a variety of section already given by Strikingly. You can, if you want to add image and video, you can select that, or you can have a call to action or a contact form, and it gives you a lot of options to choose from. So let's try adding image and video, and I really like this banner, so I will select it, and once you click on it, it will automatically be added. Now you can also adjust where you want to display a particular section on the website. So I just want to move this slider and show it right next to the home page. Now to change the image on the slider, you click on image and link, and then you click on upload image. And again, I'm going to go to the Strikingly library, select the t-shirt girl, and we can select any relevant images that would look good on the slider. Now you can also edit the image right under Strikingly. If you hit edit image, it will take you to the editing panel, and you can crop it, you can resize the image, and you can also apply filter to it. You can rotate and draw over the images, and if you want to add text, you can do that too. But I'm just going to leave that as is, and let's see. So it looks like our store is completed. Our chat is set up. Now I think the website looks completed, and then once you're ready to publish the website, you can click on publish, and it will simply say published, and you can visit the website by clicking on the link and take a final look. If it needs changes, you can change that simply by going back to the editing mode, and you can update the images as well. Our website is okay, and now our website is published and it's live. People can visit it by going to the URL, and I've already created another video that shows how I did this custom logo using Canva, and I have also created another video to show you guys how I did these custom product images to make it look more uniform over the website. And here you can see the description of the product, and we have 2 different images for the product, and you can simply, people can start placing orders, select the relevant size, and then add to cart. And by going to the cart, they can complete the option. We got our live chat set up here, so if anybody wants to chat, as we have already selected that they have to fill up this form and collect the details, and then once they do that, they will be connected to our agent and start chatting. So that's it, guys. This is how you do your custom online store using Strikingly, which is pretty easy. And if you guys have any question, if you're having trouble setting anything up using Strikingly, just let me know in the comments. I will definitely help you set this up.